left in the rain, heartbroken, still hoping he will come back, until one day he held an umbrella and stayed. Lofi stepped out, slowly into love. They shared quiet mornings, like family. They played like children, laughed like old friends. Then came goodbye, with one last can. Lofi waited at the hospital doors, day after day. Some thought he was just hungry. Others tried to help, but he wouldn't eat. Until one girl showed him something familiar. The old man's granddaughter. And she had been searching for him too. That day, Lofi didn't find food. He found home. Stay for more love. Subscribe now.